Yes, everyone, good morning. So, guys, hope it is loud and clear to all. If yes, then just let me know and we can start. Yes, everybody. I can see some of you. There's Arun, Muskan, Misha Deswal. Okay. Yes. So, guys, hope it is loud and clear. Okay, so shall we start today's class? Guys, yesterday we have discussed word formation, number formation and some PYQs based on that, right? And today we are going to discuss the grouping and selection part of numbers, permutation and combination, fine? This is also an important subtopic in this chapter, fine? So guys, here what we are going to use is NCR concept, right? That we have studied, huh? So just read this question. The question says, from a group of 6 men and 5 women, we need to choose 2 men and 2 women. Okay, everyone? From a group of 6 men and 5 women, 6 men and 5 women, we need to choose 2 men and 2 women. Guys, okay? Right? So, out of 6 men, if you have to choose 2 men, this is what? This is 6C2, right? And means what, guys? Product. Now this is 5C2. What is the value of 6C2, everybody? 15. What is the value of 5C2? 10. The answer is 150. Right? Everybody clear? Any doubt to anyone? Any confusion? No? Right? Okay. All of you fine? All right, fine. If someone is inquiring about the new batch. New batch we are starting from 6th of January, I already told you yesterday, right? So anyways, guys, after that, just come fast, please. Yeah, after that, guys, just tell me the answer like this. This into this. Yeah, everyone? Huh? 7C3 into 4C2. Okay, 7C3. Everybody, this is 7 men. We need 3 men out of 7 men. So this is 7C3. Sorry, 7C3. And 7C3 and what? 4C2. 7C3 is 35, right? Which is 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 1, 2, 3, right? So this is 35. 4C2 is 4 into 3 divided by 2, which is 6. This can be written as 70 into 3, right? You please read this as 70 into 3. So that is 210. All of you, it is clear? Right? Okay. All right. Okay, that's great. Okay, right? All right. Now guys, just read this question and suggest me an approach for these type of questions, right? Suggest me an approach, right? Don't solve this. Just suggest an approach. See, what the question is saying? The question is saying like, inside a room we have 5 men, 3 women and 4 children, right? You have to choose 4 members from that group such that exactly 2 of them are children, right? तो पहले तो मुझे ये बताइए how you will think about it. I mean कैसे process कैसे करेंगे आप इसको? See guys, एक बात समझिए. Suppose that you have to solve this problem, right? I mean, let's say I have told you to just go to a room where 5 men, 3 women and 4 children are sitting, right? I have told you like please select 4 members from that room such that exactly 2 of them are children. Fine. So you may ask about 2 things, right? The first thing is okay, you just have to think about your committee, right? A committee like this, it should be like either 2 children, 1 man, 1 woman, right? Or 2 children, 2 men, or 2 children, 2 women. The first thing can come to your mind like this, right? Or the second idea. Or the second idea is we have 5 men, 3 women, 4 children, right? Guys, here you are thinking about all these arrangements, fine. But question is saying what? Exactly 2 of them are children. Rest 2, they may be both men, they may be both women, or they may be 1 man, 1 woman. I don't care, right? So it's better to choose 2 members from here because the question is saying you should have 2 children and exactly 2 children. So just fulfill the condition of the question here itself. After that, you need 2 more members from this group. Yes or no? Right. So this is what 538. So this is 8C2. And guys, mathematically, when you calculate this and when you calculate this, the values will be same. Getting it? Right? Now what is 8C2 guys? 8 into 7 divided by 2 is 28. Right? And what is 4C2 is 6. This is 168. 25 into 6 is 150. And 3 into 8 is 18. 25. 150 plus 18 is 168. Now guys, let's solve it here also. Fine. Either I either. We have 4 children, we have 5 men, we have 3 women. Correct? Everybody? I'm solving it here. And friends, just tell me this. This is what? This is first form of the committee, this is second form of the committee, this is third form of the committee. These 3 numbers, they are connected with or. I mean this or this or this. So they will be added. Right? And here 2 children and 1 man and 1 woman. So they will be multiplied. Guys, is it clear? Now just think about that. 4 children, 2 children. So 2 children out of 4 will be done in 4C2 manner, 4C2 ways. After that 5C1, after that 3C1. Just wait. 5C1, 3C1. Right? Everybody clear? Okay. Plus 4C2, 5C2. Right? So 4C2 into 5C2 plus 4C2 into 3C2. Guys, is it clear? Right? So either you can solve this question like this or you can solve this question like this. But yes, in the examination, this approach would be preferable. Fine. Acha. Now, I'll do the complete calculation for you guys. Don't worry. Let's just solve it completely. मुझे ये बताइए 4C2 is what? 6. 4C2 is 6. This is what? 5. This is 3. 15. 15 into 6 is 90. Guys, clear? I repeat, 6 into 5 into 3. Correct? After that, this is 6 into 10. 60. Right? This is 6 into 3. 18. Guys, 90 plus 60, 150. 150 plus 18 is 168. Alright. Everybody clear now? Right? But this method is the lengthy one. Right? And this is an easy process. Fine? Okay. Alright. That's great. Arun is saying thanks a lot, sir. Okay. You're welcome, Arun. Yes. So, guys, is it clear now? Any doubt, friends? No? Sure. Okay. Yes, guys. Any problem? Any confusion? Anyone in the class? Done. All right. ठीक है. Let's move to the next question. Guys, the next question is, just read that. Yes, all of you. Don't solve it. You just tell me what the question is trying to ask. Huh? All minus 1. Why so? Huh? Why so?
In all, we have all the conditions, including the one where no boy is there.
Okay.
So if we calculate those and then minus the...
Alright. See, everyone, you just tell me one thing. Can we solve this question by the process that we have just solved the last question? See, the question is saying what? The question is saying, in the last question it was exactly 2 boys, right? ऐसा कुछ था? It was exactly 2 children, I suppose, right? In this question it is saying at least 1 boy has to be there. The last question it was exactly 2 children are there. In this question it is at least 1 boy has to be there. So first of all, just tell me what is the meaning of at least 1 boy? At least 1 boy means minimum 1. It can be 1 or more than 1 also, right? So guys, the mathematical representation of at least 1 is greater than or equal to 1, right? Clear? So it is 1 or more than 1, right? Now guys, I'm asking is, why can't I solve this question like with the previous process, with the previous method that we have just solved? I mean, आप ये भी सोच सकते हैं कि there are 6 boys and 4 girls. Question is saying at least 1 boy. So 6C1 and rest we are left with 9 members. So 9C3. Why can't this question should be solved like this? नहीं करना चाहिए ऐसे? If yes, then it is okay. If not, then why not? If you are with me, then it is okay. Right? If you are saying we should not do like this, then you have to substantiate your answer. Why we should not do like this? Huh? There can be more than 1 boy. So see, from the rest 9 people, if you are if you are selecting 3 members, then you can get more boys, right? Yes, everybody. Ayan? Yeah.
Sir, maybe because in that group, there may be criteria that 4 boys can be present, but in that group 4 girls cannot be present. At least 1.
See, this is the language of the question, right? Now, you should not think beyond this, right? The scope of the question is this only. Fine? Yes, everybody. And in this manner also, in this manner also, 1 boy you have fixed in the committee actually, right? So all girls anyways won't be there, right? You have fixed 1 boy, so all girls anyways won't be there, okay? Yes. Yes friends, पहले मुझे बताइए कि वैसे क्यों नहीं कर सकते? जब तक मुझे इस बात का आंसर नहीं मिलेगा, तब तक मैं why should I jump to some other process? Right? Okay? Because we have used this process in the last question and it was very much okay. It was acceptable. Right? So why can't we use this over here?
In that case, it is exactly. Here it is at least.
Okay, then what? I mean, how does it matter? What is the impact of it?
It can be 1 people or more than 1 people.
See, here you have fixed 1 boy, right? Now the rest 9 members, I mean, in this 9, 5 boys and 4 girls are there. In this 9, what? This is 5 plus 4. This 9 is what? 5 plus 4, correct? So where we have 5 boys and 4 girls. Now you are selecting 3 children from those 9 members, right? So obviously, एक boy तो है, minimum 1 boy we have, we have tried to satisfy at least 1 boy, right? Now what is the difference? Why we should not do like this? और मैं आपको एक बात बता दूं, लेकिन पहले आप बताइए, फिर मैं बताऊंगा.
Just guessing, will there be duplication in this?
Okay. 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 If you can say the duplication will be there, then can you prove that? Huh? Can you prove that? Though you are thinking in a right direction, right? Can you prove that?
Here also we are taking 6, and then again here we are taking.
See, all of you, let me tell you, ठीक है, देखिए, देखिए, 6C1 into 9C3, right? Guys, let me tell you, if you become an IAS officer, you will have to read a lot of reports, right? And from that report, each data says something, each number says something, right? So just by looking at the data, you can conclude something, some information from that given data, right? And this is what is tested in the examination also, right? So, can you tell me, see, 6C1 is 6, 9C1 is what? 987 divided by 6, right? So this is 72, 72 by 6 is 12, 12 7 is 84, right? 84 into 6. This will be 504.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
504, right? Everybody, it is clear. So when we are using this process, we are getting the answer as 504, correct? But the maximum answer can be what? The maximum answer can be 10C4. Why? Because there are 4 girls and 6 boys, so they are 6 plus 4, they are 10 members, and out of that 10 members, you have to choose 4. Sorry, you have to choose 4, right? So the maximum answer can be 10C4, right? The maximum answer can be 10C4. When, see, just try to understand, when there is no restriction, at least 1 boy or something, there is no restriction. If I ask you, just go and select 4 members out of 6 boys and 4 children, sorry, 4 girls. Then the total number of cases would be 10C4. Yes or no? भाई 10 में से 4 choose करने का तो 10C4 ही base है. Now what is the value of 10C4? 10, 9, 8, 7 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? Now everyone, 4 into 2 is 8. This is what? This is 3. 3, 7, 21. 21 into 10 is 210. Guys, the maximum answer for this question can be 210. When we are selecting 4 members without any restriction. So obviously the answer should be less than 210. Right? So this data is telling you that this answer is not correct. Number 1. There is some problem with this. Number 2. मुझे एक बात बताइए, मैक्सिमम जो कमिटीज आप बना सकते हैं, मैक्सिमम कमिटीज दैट यू कैन फॉर्म इज 210. बट here you are getting at as 504. And just think on it. Committees will be fixed. For example, I told you one example yesterday when Mr. Aditya and Vimi, they are representing Team Pathfinder, something like that, or Team UNGIST, something like that. Right? So guys, when they are representing Team UNGIST, right? Let's say it is Aditya and Vimi. So when you say Aditya and Vimi, it is one team, or when you say Vimi and Aditya, it is not another team, guys. It is only one team, right? So teams will be fixed, or the committees will be fixed. But here, with the same committee, you are getting the answer as 504. Which means what? Which means you are counting one committee multiple times. You are counting one committee multiple times. This data is telling you duplication is there. Right, everybody? This data is telling you that. Clear? Right? Duplication is there. That is very correct. Now, you will ask me to prove the duplication. Right? Okay? So, guys, now let's prove that where the duplication is occurring. Huh? ठीक है? देखिए. Just look at this. Just look at this. Suppose that we have 6 boys, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5 and B6, correct? And we have how many girls? 4. So let's say G1, G2, G3 and G4. Okay, guys? And if we are fixing one boy, or if we are like choosing one boy first, so let's say he is B1, and from B2 to G4, like these 9 members, right? These 9 members, we are selecting 3 more members from this group, right? So let's say what we have chosen is B1 and then B2 and then let's say G1 and G2. Let's say it is this, right? Clear? So obviously with B1, 9C3 means what? 9C3 means 84. So total 84, I mean this column will have the length of 84 times. I mean 84 things, right? Guys, is it clear? Fine. After that, B1 cases are exhausted. Then we'll be coming to B2, right? Because this is what? This is 6 into 84. So with B1 there will be 84 cases. With B2 there will be 84 cases. With B3 there will be 84 cases and something like that. Getting it, everyone? Right? So now when we will go for B2, then B2, and obviously when B2 is fixed and with these 9 members, when we'll be choosing 3 members, so we may get again B1, G1, G2. Guys, is it clear? We may get this combination once again. So this team and this team is same. But in this arrangement, we have counting them as a different teams. Getting it, everyone? Right? So that's why duplication is here. Correct? Right? So this approach is not correct. The question will be solved like this. Right? Now guys, now if this approach is not clear or not correct, then how to solve the question completely? Right? Then how to solve the question? So guys, just think on it. In the previous method, what we have done initially, we have thought about all the cases which are possible. Right? So, if I rule out this, मैं हटाऊं इसे? Okay? If I rule out this, then I'll think about all the cases which are possible. So, it may be 1 boy and 3 girls, or 2 boys and 2 girls, or 3 boys and 1 girl, or 4 boys and no girl, right? So 4 boys. Everybody, it is clear. Now friends, just think on it. मुझे ये बताइए जरा. This is, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. All of it is clear, right? Guys, this is the condition of at least 1. Just think on it, right? Everyone, huh? Just tell me one thing. If there is no restriction on you, right, then which case you will get more? I mean extra. If there is no restriction, then what else can you have? If there is no restriction to select the 4 members, then you can get 4 girls also. Everyone, yes or no? If there is no restriction on you, how to select those 4 people, then you can also get 4 girls. This is not the part of your actual question, fine. So let's separate it, fine. Guys, it is clear? अब मुझे एक बात बताइए. Guys, these are the total possible cases of choosing 4 members from 10 members, yes or no? Right? These are the total possible cases of choosing 4 members out of 10 members, right? So obviously, if they are the total possible cases, right? If they are the total possible cases, then their sum has to be 10C4. Everyone, yes or no? Right? If there are total possible cases, then their sum has to be 10C4. Right? Guys, just think over it. मुझे एक बात बताइए. If you are randomly selected, if you have randomly selected 4 members out of 10 members, then what are the possibilities? It can be 0 boys, all girls. It can be 1 boy, 3 girls. It can be 2 boys, 2 girls. It can be 3 boys, 1 girl, or it can be all the 4 boys, right? So I'm just writing it here, guys. This can be 0 boy, or 0 boy means the complementary part 4 girls, right? Or 1 boy. So 1 boy means with 1 boy we have 3 girls. Or we can have 2 boys, or we can have 3 boys, or we can have all the boys. Guys, when we are selecting 4 members randomly from the group of those 10 members, we can get the members like this. Either we can get 0 boy, or we can get 1 boy, or we can get 2 boys, or we can get 3 boys, or we can get 4 boys. Correct? Question is talking what? Question is talking about at least 1. Right? Guys, question is saying at least 1. And what is this? This is the total cases. Right? These are the total possible cases. Question is talking about at least 1. Guys, what is at least 1? At least 1 is this. So, if you subtract this value from the total, you will get at least 1. Everybody clear? So, whenever you are getting this phrase, at least 1 in the question, right? Whenever you are getting this phrase, at least 1. So, at least 1 will always be replaced by total minus none. Everybody, it is clear? So at least 1 will always be replaced by total minus none, right? And here, if the question is saying at least 1 boy, so this is total minus no boy, right everyone? Clear? Okay. So now, just look at the question. The question is saying, what will be the final answer? I mean, at least 1 boy. So total minus no boy, right? So guys, total is what? Total is 10C4 minus no boy means what? All the girls. So 4C4, right? So this is 210 minus 1. The answer is 209. Okay guys? Everybody is clear? The answer is 209, right? Friends, any doubt, any confusion, any query, any problem? No? All of you done? Okay. So at least 1 will be treated as total minus none. All fine everyone? Huh? Okay, that's great. It's clear now. What?
If it's the question was at least 2 boys, then also the answer would be
See, at least 2 boy means this and this case would be subtracted, right? So 2, 3, 4 will be added and these 2 cases will be subtracted from the total, actually. So either you can do like this or you can do like this.
But if, to get away from the confusion, if we literally stick to this method, I mean, forming these things, is it more safest?
See, it is safest, but for the smaller numbers. Suppose that, Akram, there are, let's say, 15 boys and 20 girls, right? And you have to choose 10 members, suppose that, right? Then at least 2 boys are there, suppose that the question is saying like this. Then you will start with 2 and go up to 10, right? So this will become, a bit time taking process. Getting it? So it is better to use this method rather than this method, correct? Right? And are you getting it?
Yes.
Right? Akram, it's clear now?
Yeah.
No? Okay. And for this method, you don't have to solve anything, you just have to think logically. 10C4 minus 1, 10C4 calculate kariye, minus 1 is the answer. Right. Yep. Yes, all of you, it's clear? Okay, chaliye. Shall we move, guys? Okay. So let's move now to the next question. Shall we move, everyone? Okay, circular permutation. All right. Guys, circular permutation. See, everyone, yesterday we have studied linear arrangement. Today we'll be studying circular arrangements, right? Just think about it, everyone. If we have, let's say, if we have SEA, right? We have solved with this example. So we'll take this example today as well, right? And the question is, how many total words can be formed? Correct? So the total words can be formed as 6, right? AES, ASE, then EAS and ESA, and then SAE, and then SEA. Correct, everybody? There are total 6, right? So in linear arrangement, we can have 6 total words, right? But suppose that if, let's assume that there are 3 people, right? One is S, another is A, another is A. There are 3 people, and we have to make them sit around a circular table. Correct? Then the question is, how many different arrangements are possible? Right, everyone? The question is, there are 3 people, SEA. We have to make them sit around a circular table. How many different arrangements are possible? Correct? So in linear arrangements, in linear manner, we have 6 arrangements. Correct? And this is factorial 3. Correct? Now, in circular arrangement, guys, try to start with 6 only, because we have 6 here. So let's assume this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. Correct? And 3 seats are there. The seats are like this. Okay, everyone? Right. Now let's say this is position number 1, 2, 3 in clockwise manner, everyone. Fine? 1, 2, 3 clockwise manner. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Correct? Huh? Now this is AES. So AES, correct? After that it is ASE. I am writing it here. ASE. Correct? Then EAS. EAS. Okay? Then ESA. ESA. Right? Then SAE. SAE. Fine? Then SEA. And SEA. Everyone, correct? Huh? After that, guys, here, just think about it. What is the measure of the central angle? It is 360 divided by 3, which is 120 degree, right? Because the central angle will be 360 degree, right? And there are 3 points, so 1, 2, 3. So 360 divided by 3, which is 120 degree, right? Though geometry is not the purpose, but you should be knowing it. Huh? Anyways, मुझे एक बात बताइए. Let's say this is position number 1, right? Guys, is it clear? Let's say this is position number 1. Huh? Now this position. If I rotate this 120 degree in anti-clockwise manner, what will happen? Guys, look at this. If I rotate it 120 degree in anti-clockwise manner, what will happen? It is same as 1. It is same as 1, yes or no? Look at this carefully. Right? Okay? Right, everyone? Huh? All right. Now, friends, again, if, just look at this, right? Let's say this is position number 2. Fine. If I rotate this in anti-clockwise manner 120 degree, what will happen to this? This will be same as 2, right? Now everyone, if I rotate this 120 degree into clockwise manner, what will happen to this? I repeat, if I rotate this 120 degree into clockwise manner, what will happen to this? Everyone, this is same as 2. Yes, now think about this. What will happen to this, guys? If you rotate this in an, what will happen to this? कहीं पे एक गलती हुई है क्या हमसे? कौन सी मिस्टेक हुई है? Top right. EAS, this is this weight. This is ESA. Oh, ये आपने पहले क्यों नहीं बोला? हाँ, आपने सोचा फंसने तो साले को. नहीं गलत बात है, देखिए गलत बात है. All right. See, this is ESA. Yes, guys, it is ESA. I'm sorry, guys. ठीक है. After that, देखिए, when you rotate this in clockwise manner, right? 120 degree. Then what will happen to this? This will becoming position number 1. Right? Yes or no? Fine. So actually, guys, they were 6 in linear arrangement. But in circular arrangement, 3 and 3 are same. Right? So what is actually happening? Factorial 3 divided by 3. 3 arrangements became the same. So 3 will be treated as 1. So factorial 3 divided by 3 will become what? Guys, this is what? This is 3 into factorial 3 minus 1 divided by 3. Yes or no? ऐसा ही होता है ना? Right. It's clear. Now, let's take one more example. Right? Let's take one more example. Let's say for 4 persons. Fine, everyone. Let's take for 4 persons. I'm doing it here. Let's take for 4 persons. The 4 persons are A, B, C, D. Huh? A, B, C, D. B, C, D, A. Then C, D, A, B. And then D, A, B, C. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Guys, in linear arrangement, these are 4 different arrangements. If you make them sit in a row, then they all are 4 different arrangements. Yes or no? Right? But if you have to make them sit around a circular table, then they will be same. Look at this. Right? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4, right? 1, 2, 3. 90 degree हो जाएगा इस बार, right? Okay, this is A, B, C, D, right? Then B, C, D, A, right? Then C, D, A, B, then D, A, B, C. Guys, is it clear? Now look at this. Suppose that this is arrangement number 1, right? For example, this is arrangement number 1. Now look at this. If you rotate this 90 degree in clockwise manner, what will happen to this? This will become 1, right? Okay. If you rotate 180 degree, I'm sorry. If you rotate this 180 degree in anti-clockwise or clockwise, right? In either direction, what will happen to this? It will become 1, right? 180 degree in the clockwise manner, right? Now 90 degree anti-clockwise manner, right? So all these arrangements are similar in case of circle, right guys? So in linear arrangements, they will give you the answer as factorial 4, but in circular arrangements, 4 arrangements are same, so this will be divided by 4. So the answer is factorial 4 minus 1, which is factorial 4 minus 1. Just read. This will become factorial 4 minus 1, so which is factorial 3. Guys, is it clear, yes or no? Vishali, any doubt, right? So in case of n articles or n members, n distinct members, right? N distinct, this articles. So factorial n in case of this linear, and in case of circular it will be n minus 1 factorial. Guys, is it clear, right? So in case of circular arrangements for n articles, the answer will be factorial n minus 1. Okay everyone, any doubt, any confusion, any query to anyone? Yes. Vishali, what happened? Why you have the question mark on your face? Yeah. Calculation, yeah. See, factorial 4 is what? Factorial 3 into 4. Right? So this is factorial 3. This is.
Can't we do 4 into 3 into 2?
So 1, 2, 3, 4 ऊपर लिखिए, नीचे 4 लिखा हुआ है, कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो 1, 2, 3 बचेगा. That will be factorial 3 only. Right. अरे हाँ. Okay, guys, is it clear now? Huh? Okay. All right. ठीक है, it's good. ठीक है. After that. So guys, is it clear? So in linear arrangement they are factorial n, but in circular arrangement they are factorial n minus 1. Everybody fine now? Huh? All right. After that we have, yeah. All right. So after that, guys, एक और cases में देख लीजिए. The case of necklace, right, or garland. Right, everyone? Necklace or garland. Huh? So you might have observed, garland looks like this, or let's say it is like this, right? Huh? It looks like this, right? So guys, in garland or a necklace, you just have to take care of the symmetricity. I mean, symmetricity will be there. For example, let's say in garland or in necklace, let's say this is yellow bead. So this should also be yellow. This is green, so this should be also green. Or this is yellow, so this should be also yellow. And let's say this is red. Fine. So this is necklace. Garland also takes the same shape. Huh? It's like this only. Suppose that you have 3 different flowers, in the garland, so they will be like this. Let's say here, this is red. It can be like this. If this is red, this should be red. If this is red, there should be red. If this is yellow, there should be yellow. If this is, let's say, some more color, pink. Okay, let's say this is pink. Or white also they can be, right? So, is it clear now, guys? Huh? So, what is the difference between the circular arrangement that we have studied earlier and in this? Just think about it, guys. Here, if you look at this arrangement in anti-clockwise manner or in clockwise manner, right? They will be looking similar, right? Or for example, if you are holding the garland like this, right? If you are holding the garland like this, so if I look at from my side or you look at from this side, the arrangement will be similar. Yes or no? Right? Clear, guys? So here, this will be factorial n minus 1 divided by 2. Guys, is it clear? Right? These two arrangements are same, yes or no? Right? So this will be factorial n minus 1 divided by 2. Is it clear, everybody? Yes? Alright, please note it down. So in case of garland or necklace, right, this will be factorial n minus 1 divided by 2, where clockwise and anti-clockwise arrangements are similar. Right? Okay. That's great. Right? Alright. Let's talk about some questions. None? Okay. हटाऊं इसे? हो गया ना? Okay. See, all of you. The first question. In how many ways 6 boys form a ring? What is the answer? Yeah, 5 factorial. Everybody? 6 boys. You have to put them in a circular manner, right? So this will be factorial 6 minus 1, which is factorial 5. Factorial 5 is 120. Right, the answer is factorial 6 minus 1, which is factorial 5, and that is 120. Guys, it is clear? Right, simple question. Okay, chaliye zara. Next. Yes, everyone. Guys, in these questions, you should always take care of, the question is talking about they are always together or they are saying they are never together. Right? Please always take care of this. Here the question is saying the two particular boys are always together, right? Guys, just tell me the, this, not final calculation, just tell me the logic part. Yeah.
We will two boys as single, we will treat
No, treat them as single boy, yeah. ठीक है, it's fine.
5.
ठीक है. Then?
5 minus 1, 4.
Okay, then? ठीक है, सही है.
Into 2 ways.
Into 2 factorial, yes. The answer is 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Why? See, there are 6 boys total. So boy 1, boy 2, boy 3, boy 4, boy 5, boy 6, right? So treat them as 1 only. So 1, 2, 3, 4. No, sorry, not 4, 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for 5 members, the answer will be 5 minus 1 factorial, because you have to make them sit in a circle, right? So answer will be 5 minus 1 factorial. But 2 of them are always together, So they can change the order of them. Like it can be B5, B6, it can be B6, B5. So this will be like factorial 2. So answer is 4 factorial into 2 factorial. So this is 24 into 2, which is 48. Guys, any doubt? It's clear? Everyone? It's clear, everybody? Huh? All right, done. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Shall we move, guys? अच्छा, ठीक है. ठीक है. चले आगे बढ़े. हाँ. देखिए जरा. Yes, guys, necklace. What is the answer? Yeah. What is the final answer? Yeah. 120 by 2, which is 60, right? This is factorial 5 divided by 2. Right? The answer is 60. Correct, guys? Because this is the case of necklace. Right? So 5 factorial divided by 2, which is 60. I mean 120 divided by 2, which is 60. Friends, any doubt? Any confusion? Any query to anyone? No? Shall we move? Huh? Okay. Guys, yeah. This time the question is saying two ladies are never together. Okay.
Total minus together.
Yeah. Total cases minus together. Now tell me the final logic. I mean calculation ही पूछ रहा हूँ मैं. Final logic बता दीजिए मुझे. Think about it. Total will be what? Total will be 6 factorial because there are 7 members, right? Circular permutation. So total is 6 members. I mean total will be factorial 7 minus 1. These are the total cases, which is factorial 6, right? These are the total cases. Now, two ladies are together. Very good. 5 factorial into 2 because this is 5 and this 2 will be considered as 1. So there are total 6 cases. I mean 6 characters, right? And in circular permutation they will be treated as 5, right? So this is 5 factorial into 2 factorial. So this is what? 120 into 2. So guys, the answer is 720 minus 240. This is what? 480. Huh? Yeah, 480. Right? Guys, any doubt? हाँ. क्या नहीं समझ में आया? Okay, because the thing is, they are saying two ladies are never together, so you just have to put them in a box and treat that box as a single character. But they can swap their position. They can interchange their position. That is a factorial 2. Yeah. And what happened? Any doubt? Please.
If we are clamping those two ladies in a single unit, so it should be counted as 1. So why are we doing into 2 factorial?
See, they are together, but like let's say Vimy is sitting with, suppose they're Chehak, right? So they are sitting together, but it can be like if this is seat number 1, this is seat number 2, right? So if Vimy is sitting here, Chehak is sitting here, this is one arrangement. And if Vimy is sitting here and Chehak is sitting there, so this is another arrangement, right? So there can be 2 arrangements when 2 ladies are together, right? Okay. Any doubt, guys? Clear? Done? Okay. Okay. After that, guys, dictionary rank concept. Dictionary rank. Okay. See everybody. Yesterday we have discussed how many total words can be formed by some group of letters given, right? Let's say one word was given as Ram. Huh? So let's talk about some example. ठीक है, Ram. So yesterday what we have discussed, कि with all the characters of the word Ram, how many total words can be found, be it meaningful or meaningless, right? So yesterday the answer we have got as 6. So this is AMR. What we have done, this is like ARM, and then MAR, and then MRA, and then RAM, and then RMA, right? So yesterday, we have done this exercise. How many total words can be formed using all the letters of a given word, right? Now, today what we are going to discuss is, if we write all the letters of this word in a dictionary manner, what will be the position of the word Ram? What is the position of the actual word? What is the dictionary rank of this given word? Guys, getting it? So here it is 5. Total 6 words are possible, and the position of the word Ram, the dictionary rank of this word Ram is 5. 5th or 5. Guys, is it clear? Right. So today we are going to discuss this concept.
Without cases.
Right.
लेटर वाइज
हाँ, मतलब देखिए, डिक्शनरी मैनर में अगर MAR इन 3 लेटर्स को आप पुट करेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली टोटल 6 पॉसिबिलिटीज आर देयर, राइट? इन दो 6 पॉसिबिलिटीज वेयर राम विल स्टैंड, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. सो राम विल स्टैंड इन 5th पोजीशन, करेक्ट? गाइस, इज इट क्लियर? ओके, नाउ एवरीवन, ram is a small word, so we can count it manually. What about the bigger words? Let's say the word is Vaishali, right? Right? So obviously it will be started with A actually. Think about it, right? V is the, like it is starting with V actually, but V is the very last alphabet. In these letters, V is the very last alphabet. Getting it? So now here, if you write it like this, this will be a very cumbersome exercise for you. Right? You can't count Vaishali manually actually. Right? So obviously we should have to have a process. Right? अब देखिए जरा कैसे करते हैं. मुझे ये बताइए, the first word will be started with A. So A will be fixed. Right? So guys, if A is fixed, so AMR, just write it, huh? So if A is fixed, then how many total words are still left? 2. So starting with A, we can have factorial 2 words. They are distinct, so that's why it is factorial 2, right? It can be like same also, so this will be factorial 2 by factorial 2. Getting it, everyone? After that, cases with A are exhausted. Now the first position will be given to M. Guys, is it clear? So if first position is given to M, starting with M we can have again factorial 2 words, because we have, apart from M, we have A and R. Correct? After that, R will be fixed initially, in first position. After R we have A, after A we have M, alright. So this is the rank of Ram. Guys, is it clear? So we have to count it step by step manner. That's it. See, last part में मुझे ये बताइए, आपका जो required word है वो R से शुरू हो रहा है. अब आप जब यहाँ पे आए, like when you came here, you also are starting with R, because you have exhausted all the cases with A and all the cases with M, right? So अब आप देखिए, आप first position जिस letter की है वहाँ पे आप पहुँच गए. Now you should think about the second character, second letter. So second letter आपने fix किया A. आपके में भी second letter A होना चाहिए, जो desired word है उसमें भी second letter A होना चाहिए. So RA till R8 is fixed. Now think about the third letter. Right? Clear, guys? Done? Any doubt, friends? No? Okay. Now let us take one more word. right? One simple word. Let us take one more word. हटाऊं इसे? Or you want to write it down? No? अच्छा, ठीक है. ठीक है, लिख लीजिए. ठीक है? ठीक है. Yes, online students, guys, are you getting it? Kamal, Misha, and Ishwar, Kritika, Pratyusha. Okay, that's great. That's great. So, all of you, Vaishali ho gaya na? So, after that, guys, after that, the word is C. Guys, मुझे ये बताइए, so first of all, arrange it alphabetically, right? Now, start with A. What is the answer? Factorial 2. Then start with E. What is the answer? Factorial 2. Then start with S. S is your requirement, right? But if you start with S, the first letter will be S-A-E. So one more, right? And the second letter will be S-E-A, right? So this is one more. So the answer is 6. Right, guys? Okay. All right. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do one more, guys. मुझे बताइए, what is the rank of this word mango? Everybody, what is the rank of the word mango? Hmm. Ten. Okay, guys, I'm getting one answer as 10. Can you confirm that? All of you? नहीं हो रहा है तो मुझे बताइए. नहीं हो रहा है, अच्छा कर लीजिए, कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है, टेक योर टाइम. नहीं होगा तो फिर आई हेल्प यू आउट. डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, गाइस. जस्ट ट्राई. नहीं होगा तो आई हेल्प यू आउट. डोंट वरी. Shall we discuss, everybody? I'm getting one answer as 10. Huh, what? Uh-oh. 50? All right. Check आप कितना रहे? Yeah, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है. हाँ? 50, 50. Okay, no problem. 10? Okay. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. आपको आ कितना रहे? आंसर कितना रहे? अच्छा, आंसर निकालेंगे. देखिए एवरीबॉडी, मुझे ये बताइए, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जस्ट अरेंज देम इन द अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. क्या होना चाहिए बोलिए जरा. A, G, M, N, O. Right, everybody. This is the alphabetical order. Right. Now the first word will be started with A. After A we have factorial 4. Right. देखिए इसलिए मैं 10 पे थोड़ा सा सरप्राइज हो रहा था कि A से ही जब आप स्टार्ट करेंगे तो 24 तो वैसे ही हो जाएगा. राइट. ठीक है. देखिए गाइस, मैंगो वर्ड से टोटल यू विल हैव 120 वर्ड्स इन डिक्शनरी. Right, 120 words will be there. Now if you write them, if you write all 120 words in a dictionary manner, so what will be the rank of the word mango? This is the question. Got it? Acha, after A you will be starting with G. So again it is factorial 4 guys. Right? After that it is M. So if you are getting M, now you please wait. You just wait for the second character. So after A, second you have, after M, second you have A, right? Okay, this is fixed, this is fixed. After that, G. Guys, G. With G you have factorial 2. Correct? But now G is not needed. So MA, other than G you have N. Right? After N you have what? What will come here? G and then O. So this is one more. Guys, what is the answer? The answer is 51, I suppose. Right? 24, 24, 2 and 1. Right? The answer is 51. Got the 51? Okay, that's great. तो बोला क्यों नहीं आपने? Not confident?
not sure about the third step, so I didn't.
मुझे ये बताइए, अल्फाबेटिकली सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? सबसे पहले ए आएगा. ए से जितने वर्ड बन सकते थे आपने बना दिए. बन गया. अब ए एक्सप्लोर हो गया, पूरा एग्जॉस्ट हो गया. अब क्या बचा? सेकेंड वाला विच इज जी. जी से जितना बन सकता है फैक्टोरियल 24, फैक्टोरियल 4 विच इज 24. ठीक है, एग्जॉस्ट हो गया. नाउ इट विल कमिंग विद एम. ठीक, आपका जो डिजायर्ड वर्ड है वो भी एम से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो आप एम को आप रोक के रखिए अभी. अब एम के बाद जो सेकंड कैरेक्टर होगा वो क्या होगा? ए होगा. जो आपका डिजायर्ड वर्ड है वो भी ए से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो इसको भी रोक दीजिए, फिक्स कर दीजिए. आई मीन, राइट. देन with these two words, I mean these two letters, the next word, I mean the next letter in the alphabet will be what? G. But it is not required. तो इससे जितना बन रहा है उसको बना के आगे बढ़ जाइए. Right? Yeah. नहीं, आप MAGNO कर दीजिए, फिर अगला बनेगा MAGON. वो टोटल 2 हो गए ना. तो व्हाट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ राइटिंग देम एक्चुअली व्हेन यू नो इट, लाइक कि 2 बनेंगे, उनको लिखने की क्या जरूरत है? राइट. गाइस, इट इज फाइन. शैल वी टेक वन वर्ड वेयर रिपीटिशन इज देयर? वन स्मॉल वर्ड. हाँ, पहले यही समझ में आ जाए. हाँ. ओके. यस, एवरीवन. Pranjal, now it is fine. You were saying 10. It's fine. हर्ष अभी ठीक है? 10 तो नहीं होगा? Clear? अच्छा. Guys, after that, let's talk about one word where repetition is there, and the word is India. Right? The word is India. इसको भारत मत कर दीजिएगा आप लोग. Right? Yes. Yes, guys. The word is India. बताइए. आराम से कीजिए guys and try to tell me the answer. 58. All right, guys, I'm getting one answer as 58. Can you confirm this answer? I'm getting one answer as 58 for India. Yes, everybody? Anyone in the class could do that? One answer I'm getting as 58. Fourteen, 1-4. 1-4. I doubt. 14 क्यों? But anyways, let's respect your words. What? वो हाँ वो अभी डिस्कशन में हम बात करेंगे, आप अभी कर लीजिए. What's your answer? 35. Okay. ठीक है. अच्छा. What's your answer? Okay. Ranjan, what's your? 38. Okay. Tanu, what's your answer? How? Still doing? कर लीजिए, कोई बात नहीं, कर लीजिए. Mimi, what's your answer? Okay, okay. Try. Yeah. Misha is saying it is 37. All right. 38 and 37 are too close. In fact, 35, 37, 38, they are too close. Right? काफी सिमिलर सोच रहे हैं आप लोग. हाँ. Shall we discuss, guys, or you want some more time? Huh? Tanu? Shall we discuss? 36. Oh. 35, 36, 37, 38. Neck to neck competition. Shall we discuss, everyone? Vimi, what's your? 25. Oh, okay. Chalo, ठीक है, 25. Yes. Shall we discuss, all of you? Right? Vaishali, what's your? 14? Huh? You got 14? Achha, anyways, shall we discuss, guys? Okay, friends, first of all, arrange it alphabetically. How? क्या लिखूं मैं? A, D, I, N. Right? Guys, it's clear? Don't talk. Please, don't talk. Yeah, look at this, guys. Please look at this. So, arrange them alphabetically, first of all. How? Oh. Vaishali, please. करने दीजिए, मुझे तो करने दीजिए. Yes. See, everyone. मैं भी confused होऊंगा फिर. Guys, A, right? So you have to fix A first, and what will be coming here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. This is what? This is 12. Okay, fine. After A, what you will get? D. Right? So again, it is factorial 4 divided by factorial 2, which is 12. Right? After that, I will be coming, friends. Right? I. 1I. Right? I is there in our required word also. So I will be fixed. Right? I is fixed. Okay. After I, what we are going to get? A, right? So guys, IA. Now, IA is there, then DIN, right? So guys, actually IA is not there in our desired word. So IA से जितने words बन सकते हैं बनाइए और आगे बढ़िए. What is 3 factorial? Okay. So this is 6. After that, क्या हुआ? यहीं पे गलत हो गया? After that, नहीं by 2 क्यों करेंगे आप? देखिए आप IA के बाद क्या बचा हुआ है? DIN. यहाँ पे कुछ repetition तो है नहीं, right? After that, I के बाद क्या आएगा? D. Guys, this is also not required. So again what? 6. After that क्या आएगा? I. Here also there is no repetition, right? So this is again factorial 3, which is 6. ये बात आपको समझ में आ रही है या नहीं आ रही है? मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? Right? अभी बताते. After that what? I के बाद क्या आएगा? IN. Okay? यार मुझे लगता है थोड़ा ऊपर जाना चाहिए था, नीचे आ गए थोड़ा सा हम. IN. Right? Yes, guys, IN. After IN, we have A, right? So INA, which is not required, right? So this is factorial 2. So that is 2. After that what? I and D. Then AI will be the first word. Then INDIA will be the second word. So this is 2 more, right? Everybody. Clear now? So rank of the word India is 46th. Yes.
Wherever there is 6, I got 3 because I am 3.
Acha, you have written 9 instead of 6. Oh. Yes. So guys, just add them and you will get the answer. So 12 plus 12, 24, 24 plus 6, 30, 30 plus 6, 36, 36 plus 6, 42, 42 plus 2, 44, 44 plus 2, 46. Okay, everybody? So here, the final answer is 46. Right, everyone? The final answer is 46. Guys, hope you understood this. Huh? What? Last step?
Yes, means from
INA? IA. अच्छा ये तो बहुत ऊपर है, लास्ट कहाँ है? अच्छा ठीक है. कुछ भी चल रहा है. Anyways, नहीं हम serious हैं, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Anyways, so guys, this is IA, right? Tanu, see, like I you need to fix. Why? Because your desired word is starting with I, right? So after I, in this manner, right? So after I, you have to come from here. After I, you will be like the A will be coming actually after I, but your desired word is not starting with IA. So after IA, what is left? After IA, we are left with DIN. So with DIN, we can have factorial 3 words, right? So factorial 3, right? Then after A, the next letter will be coming as D. So ID, but your desired word is not starting with ID. So just write all the possible words, again factorial 3. Why? Because this is ID. So ID, then you are left with IA and D. Sorry, INA actually. Right? So again this is factorial 3, correct? And then it is II. Again it is factorial 3. It's clear? ठीक है ना? Done guys? Okay. Yes. Anyone else? Any other doubt? Aditya, what happened? Oh, you're smiling. Yes. Vaishali, what? You have the question mark on your face. What happened?
So if we had one more eye, in case.
आपसे इतना टैकल नहीं हो रहा है और if we have one more eye. प्रॉब्लम्स इनवाइट करते जा रहे हैं आप लोग. अच्छा बताइए.
In that eye, if we had one more.
मैं लिख देता हूँ यहाँ पे. Let's say what you are saying. Just write it here. बताइए. It's a eye. हाँ please.
If we have three eyes,
One, like let's say the word is like this. Is it? Huh?
so when we take two eyes, will we,
See, if two eyes are fixed, suppose that, huh? Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 factorial.
and only one is fixed to.
If only one is fixed, it will be divided by 2. Yeah. If only one is fixed, suppose that this is I, right? One is fixed. So this is like this. So it is factorial 5 divided by factorial 2. Clear? Any other doubt, guys? Anyone else? Huh? Okay. So this is nothing but the word formation only, right? With the rest of the words, rest of the letters. That's it. Okay? This is nothing but the word formation only, with the rest of the letters. Okay? Okay. Okay, so let's do one UPSC ka question, right? With the same logic. With the same logic. Guys, UPSC. अच्छा ठीक है, पहले UPSC के रैंक बताइए जरा आपको. Yes. Rank of UPSC, guys. How? Though it's a simple word. $22, all right. Guys, I'm getting one answer as 22. Can you confirm this answer? 24, okay. 24, okay. Yes, everybody? Oh, 22. Okay. Shall we discuss, guys? Pranjal, what's your? 24. 22. See, everyone इधर देखिए जरा. एक बात समझिएगा. 24. Why not correct is, I mean the reason behind that is 24 total words are possible. So if you are saying the rank is 24, it means it is the very last word, and the very last word will be. All the alphabets are written in descending manner actually, right? So U, then S, then P, then C. This will be the 24th word, right? So you are saying, "ठीक है 23 कर लो." Is it? Shall we discuss, guys? देखिए जरा. Friends, just tell me here. इधर देखिए. First of all, just arrange them, right? क्या होना चाहिए? C, P, S, U. Huh? Is it? So with C it is factorial 3. With P it is factorial 3. With S it is factorial 3. Now U. Then U के बाद C, this is factorial 2. Then UP. UP, then CS, it is 1. Then UPSC, it is again 1. Right? So guys, this is 6, 6, 6, 2, and then 2. Yeah, the answer is 22. Correct. Right? अभी concept clear है आप लोगों को? वैशाली, any doubt? What happened?
UCP.
After UCP.
UC 2 factorial.
UC, हाँ, yeah.
I took UCP also.
See, UC is not desired. I mean, UP is desired actually. Right? So, like, if you are getting UC, just make all the possible words and move. Right? So, UC, all the possible words are factorial too. Just come to next. After that, C, you are getting P. Right? Any doubt? Huh? It's clear? Okay? Okay. Now guys, ठीक है, लिख लिया था ना आप लोगों ने? This question was asked in UPSC. Right? Sachin. Right? Sachin. Just read the question. No. Do it here only. It's a very simple question. Yes, guys. The UPSC question. Yes, all of you. Sachin. Sachin is a very, very, very good word, you know. Sachin is a very good word, guys. Sachin is actually a very good word. You will get the logic also. How? D तो देखो, D is the first option that will be eliminated. Why? Because factorial 6. Answer can't be more than 720.
60.
Yeah. So D is the first option which will be eliminated. Right? So answer can't be more than 720. Total words are possible is factorial 6. C? Okay. Guys, I am getting two answers as C. 751 is absolutely incorrect answer. Right? हो ही नहीं सकता, possible ही नहीं है. Impossible answer है. Yes, everyone. देखिए जरा. Why I am saying Sachin is a very good word? The reason is it is S-A-C-H-I-N. Fine. Everybody just look at this. Here, everything is in alphabetical manner apart from S, and when you adjust S, it will go here. Right? So no disturbance. Right? No disturbance. Right? So actually, with A it is factorial 5. Right? With C it is factorial 5. With H it is factorial 5. With I it is also factorial 5. With N it is also factorial 5. And when your S is coming here, it will be like A, C, H, I, N. It is 1. Right? So factorial 5 into 5 plus 1. So this is 120 into 5, 600 plus 1. That is 601. Right, everybody? Got it? Now feeling comfortable? No? What happened? Yeah. It's a very simple word, yeah? Like, what do you... नहीं, जब तक आप alphabetically उसको arrange करेंगे ना, मतलब नहीं करेंगे, तब तक नहीं click करेगा वो. Right? So, like the first exercise that you need to do is to arrange all the words. I mean to arrange all the letters in alphabetical manner. Guys, it is clear? Okay, I think this was the last question of this topic. So friends, we are done now. Yes. All right, everyone. So thank you guys. Let's meet tomorrow with probability, right? Tomorrow at 10:30. Okay, everyone. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you.